Hola, hola, soy Tomás, your favorite Spanish teacher, and today we're learning about how the adjectives in Spanish work. Correcto! How to properly use them and their position in a sentence. Pero primero, first, you should know that the nouns in Spanish can be masculine and feminine. Yeah, I know. Usually the nouns have an O at the end when they're masculine and an A at the end when they're feminine. Por ejemplo, el chico, masculine, la chica, feminine. Sí, usually. Now, when you use adjectives in Spanish, they also need to be changed according to the noun or nouns you are using them with. So they can also be masculine and feminine? Yes, and also singular or plural. Muy bien. What else? When a masculine adjective ends with O, its feminine form will end with A. Ah. Okay, so just like a noun. El chico rubio, singular. Los chicos rubios, plural. La chica rubia, singular. Las chicas rubias, plural. Exacto. Some adjectives end with or when they're masculine, and we just add an a at the end when they're feminine. El chico trabajador. Los chicos trabajadores. La chica trabajadora. Las chicas trabajadoras. Correcto. There are adjectives in Spanish that end with either e, ista, or a consonant. In this case, we use them in the same way for a boy and for a girl. El chico amable. La chica amable. El chico joven. La chica joven. El chico optimista. La chica optimista. And of course, they need to be said in plural when the nouns are in plural. Los chicos amables. Las chicas amables. Los chicos jóvenes. Las chicas jóvenes. Los chicos optimistas. Las chicas optimistas. Muy bien. So as you can see thus far, the adjectives in Spanish need to have the same gender as the respective substantives, nouns, and also be used in singular or plural according to the noun you are using them with. I also noticed that unlike English, in Spanish one places the adjectives after the nouns. Yes, that is mostly the case, especially with adjetivos calificativos, qualifying or describing adjectives, which are the ones we are using in this lesson. Although there can be some exceptions. Of course. Spanish allows some flexibility in the placing of adjectives, so that they are sometimes placed before the noun. And how do I know when to place them where? It all has to do with what you want to differentiate. Meaning, an adjective following a noun distinguishes that item from others that may have different qualities. El chico rubio instead of el chico moreno. La chica inteligente instead of la chica tonta, and so on. Here, el chico rubio implies an answer to the question, ¿qué chico? ¿El rubio o el moreno? Which boy? The blonde one or the dark-haired one? Sometimes you're just adding new information by placing the adjective after the noun. Ella es una chica inteligente. Bien. And what about when I put a Spanish adjective before the noun? When you place an adjective before a noun, you're implying that this quality that you mention is naturally associated with that noun. Huh? Here you are not talking about anything new. Ella es una inteligente chica. Here you are not adding the fact that the girl is intelligent as something new, but merely bringing attention to the fact that she is indeed intelligent. Ella es una chica inteligente. Here you imply that you are differentiating her intelligence from other qualities, or maybe her from other girls for being intelligent. Ella es una inteligente chica. Here we are just expressing the fact that she's intelligent as something natural related to her. These are some very subtle differences, I find. Yes, they are very subtle. So that means you don't need to be sweating thinking about that. The important thing at the beginning is just to learn that the adjectives in Spanish can also be masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. And that when I use them after the noun, they will be 99% of the time correct. So I will just learn it like that for now. Exacto. Correcto. Eso es todo por hoy. Muchas gracias. All the vocabulary you can find below in the video description. Adiós.